Welcome back to my YouTube channel at Josh DHD. So my name is Joshua Daniel, a tech influencer, and also the one of the tech guys that is here on this YouTube or all these social media platform to tell you the truth, right? Yes. My today conversation is about propfirms in Nigeria, propfirms in the world, rather. So doing YouTube for long, maybe let me just say doing content secretly for paid students and the like. So obviously I've been hearing this news about propfirm. So before we dive into this video, if you are someone that love tech, that love something, that love news and entertainment, here is a platform. Subscribe. Click on the subscribe button and make sure you subscribe to stay tuned on this channel anytime I drop my content. So if you like my content, make sure you subscribe. So let's go into the video. Yeah. So two propfirms in Nigeria I'm going to mention, and you're going to tell me if you are a victim or you are not. So starting with one, I know a lot of you in Nigeria and across most of the places in Africa might have heard about a propfirm called consummate traders. So yeah, I've been doing forex trading quite low key, and because I felt like, when you hear about propfirm, when you hear about forex trading, a lot of people would tell you it's easy, it's simple, and all you need to do get mentorship and you're free to go. It is not done that way. Anything about finance, anything about money management, anything about forex trading, you should not be looking at it as a free, quick scheme, stuff. So the whole context is that you need to be your own self. You need to use a demo account to practice forex. But to be honest with you, forex is not easy, and forex is not for who doesn't have like a backup job to, whenever you lose trade or you blow your account, you always go back to it. Let me tell you something. I've blown my account for several times, and I won't tell you that I love forex. I hate forex, yes, because anything that makes you feel, less value of yourself, anything that makes you feel downgraded, anything that make you feel like you're not doing well, please quit it as soon as possible. ASAP, quit it. So now, because these forest guys, the big guys in the forest game, they are doing, they're marketing themselves, they're making content on YouTube for you and me to watch. When you watch them, they get paid, and they use that to like cover up their losses in forex. And when you pay for the mentorship classes, they also cover up for their losses in forex. They will never show you the loss size. They will only show you the SL, the STP, which is take profit, because they know that when they're showing you the bad side in forex, you will not want to pay for their class. You will not want to learn from them. You will not want to proceed in learning forex trading. So because of that, they won't do that. And it's quite obvious that in the world we grow today, we are not doing and we are not learning what we are supposed to learn in the right way. And people are not telling you the truth about life. People will never tell you what you need to know. All people will tell you in this life is because they feel like when they're telling the truth, you will never believe them. They would rather tell you the lie and you believe the lie, and they use that lie to make money off you. In this world we are in today, illegal things make more money than you that you are doing something that is really legal and is good. So to be honest with you, bad things are not easy, but they are not bad. Bad things are bad rather, and they are easy to do, right? So that's why this forest guy will jump aboard and tell you use this firm, use this broker, and you usually use them because you hear from them. They are lying to you. After watching this video, stop following mentorship advice. After watching this video and you are still doing profit, you are liable to wreck yourself. Because let me tell you the truth about profit. The truth about profit now is that they will, tell you buy accounts. When you pass the test, you are free. They will fund you 10K, 50K, 40K. You are lying to you. What these firms are doing is they will either create their own broker, which is their local bank for you to fund your forex account. They will either partner with a bad broker. They are the propfirms. They partner with those that will manipulate your trade. So all these things happen because you don't know. You feel like, oh, I'll use Egnex. Sorry to mention name. You use Egnex. Egnex is a legit platform. So let's say, for example, the consummate is what I'm here to talk about. Whatever I'm talking about on the social media, please bear in me. It's my honest opinion. So whatever anybody want to do, let them go do it. Yeah. If you are looking at me as somebody who is spoiling your business, if I'm saying the truth, I will talk about the truth. I'm here to be the good person in social media, because there's always a bad news about Profem and also a good news about Profem. But the bad news is that Profems is not good for you. Don't go for Profems account, especially Africans as a whole. There's a lot of fake things in Africa, but Africans still have the best, and they still have their own good part. But people are spoiling the good part of Africa, using the bad one to destroy the entire, people. So the honest truth is that consumer trade stop operation. I mean, the two guys we know that is running the prop firm was Abby Forex and Jeff Van Benson. These are the two guys that have been doing marketing for this prop firm called Consumer Traders. They showed us a guy won a car, a Benz. A guy won a car for the challenge. They gave somebody $10,000 for winning for passing the challenge. They funded South Africans guys, two South African guys, the FS Good, whatever they call them. They fund them by 500 Rabi. How much? I think 500 or $400 million. Can you imagine how wild is that amount? If you're a forex trader and you have such money, bro, you won't do that. You won't even like, if I'm making money in forex and I even have, let's say I have 50k or 100k, like even the 500k or 400k they give out to those already good traders to trade, that is a marketing strategy for them. They believe that when they bring in this guy from South Africa to market this, it's easier for them to gain traction. It's easier for them to convince large audience to use that. After some quite little time, before you know, we hear that consumer traders together, the founders and co-founder, that they step out from the brand. So to tell you that they've made billions from just how many months, they made billions, and you that were a victim of losing your $100 or $200 because you wanted to pass an account, you used to ask yourself, the $100 you deposit to buy an account from these pro firms, when you blow that account, do they return that your $100? No, it's going to them. They know that for you to pass that test, it takes, in fact, there is only 10% chance that you have to pass the challenge, because you know that 90%, they have 90% assurance to win your trade, to win you and kick you out from the market, and most times when you trade, there are sometimes for the forex market always slide, goes against you a lot of times. So most times these things happen because when you are looking at the news, when they drop the news, or when you look at the charts, that the charts also go up, and because the chart is below, is already on a downtrend for long, and you're expecting it to go on the uptrend. Remember, when you click on uptrend, the trade, instead of going up, it keeps on falling until it blows up your account or you hit your stop loss. Every time a trade hits your stop loss, it's always reversed back to the initial point you pick the trade. To tell you that, see, forex is not for you, right? I mean, it's not for you. Look for something profitable you can do. Look for a job. If you are doing forex, let forex be like an investment, something that you do once in a month, once in a week, or twice in a month. Don't do it every day. Don't do it every week. Once or twice a month is okay. At least if you are making 1% of your money from forex every time you go into the market and trade, it's easy, it's sweet. But when you are trying to flip an account in a week, in a month, in a 2 months, it's hard. And because of that, you're going to blow off your account, because I've been a victim of this for long, many times. And as you speak right now, I don't trade. You know why? I still have a lot to review and tell you about prop firms. Yeah. So subscribe. See, subscribe. So because prop firms, as we speak now, They are doing something that you were supposed to like feel like, if I'm using propfirms, I'm gonna make it out from propfirms, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. Trust me, these guys know what they are doing. They don't longer do forex. This forex professional you are seeing on YouTube, whatever, they don't trade again. They don't even trade. They will use demo accounts to like win your heart, to buy their course, join their free signal group and their paid mentorship class, and also watch their content, because they know that it's not easy. When YouTube is paying when YouTube is paying a forex trader, and a forex trader is making money from teaching you, is also making money from mentoring and giving you signals. Most times their signals fails. When they give you signal, most of them don't do it. They will use a demo account to pick the trade to show you. So be wise. This 2024, quit forex 2024 and quit applying for professions if you don't want to mix, if you want to waste your time, because these guys are not honest with you. Forex trader will never be honest with you. Most of the professional will never be honest with you, and because of that, you need to give them excuse. You need to space yourself, know where you belong, and start something nice. Be a good person this new year. So my advice for every forex trader or aspiring forex trader that want to be good in forex: don't trade every day. Don't trade, well, just trade what you see, but not every day. So in the meantime, quit propfirms. See, the last thing I would say is these what they call them. I feel like these guys consummate that. Like, do you, how like, it's very insane that this is ridiculous, because there's no truth about this. In fact, you can't lie to us, because it's already the way. If you're influencer, let's say you're a forex influencer, you have 100,000 followers, 2,000, 200,000, 1 million followers, or 500k followers on Instagram and other platforms. You know that there will be a lot of fake prof firms that will approach you because they know you're an influencer. Market this for us, and when you market it, they know that when people buy their accounts, at the end of the day, they will tell you that, oh, we are shutting down. Every profile doesn't last. Do you know why? They will scam you. After scamming you, rip you off your money, they will rebrand themselves and come again. Make sure you subscribe to watch my next video that will be dropping soon. I mean, about forex. Stay on forex. So, subscribe and join the family. More exciting content that you would like. Tell me the one of the forex that you want me to interview, and I will do that.